Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. This is your step-by-step spoken English course from zero to advanced. Today, let's learn one of the most important topics in grammar, verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. In simple words, a verb tells us what someone does or what someone is. Example of action verbs. I run every morning. She writes beautifully. They play football. Examples of state verbs. I am happy. She is a teacher. It seems easy. Types of verbs. 1. Main verbs, principal verbs. These verbs show the main action in a sentence. Example, he reads books. We sing songs. 2. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. They help the main verb to form tense, questions or negatives. Examples, she is playing, I have eaten, they will come. Common helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, shall, can, could, should, must, etc. Number 3. Transitive verbs. A transitive verb needs an object to complete its meaning. Example, she buys a pen. What does she buy? A pen. Number 4. Intransitive verbs. These verbs do not require an object. Example, he sleeps peacefully. Birds fly. Number 5. Regular verbs. These verbs form their past tense by adding ed. Example, talk, talked, jump, jumped. Number 6. Irregular verbs. Their past tense change completely or irregularly. Examples, go, went, eat, ate, take, took. Spoken English tips. To improve your speaking practice, 50 to 100 common verbs in daily life. Try making 5 sentences every day with verbs like do, get, make, go, say, have, know, like, love, want. Example, I want to learn English. I get up at 6 a.m. I make coffee every morning. Today we learned the definition of verbs, 6 types of verbs, spoken English examples. If you found this helpful, please like the video, comment your sentence using a verbs, share with your friends, subscribe for more daily English lessons. Thank you very much.